6:30 in the morning. Starting at 6 in the morning has been great because that means that my day ends at 2 in the afternoon. It's Australian summer, so there's still heaps of daylight. I missed my turn because I was too busy talking to the camera. The benefit of doing the working holiday visa is you get to try a whole bunch of different things you normally wouldn't do on your everyday life. Most people won't quit their jobs to go fruit picking in British Columbia. Having cut all ties with that back in Canada, I'm free to explore various avenues to kind of find maybe what it is that I want to do. And in Brisbane, there are two e-scooter companies, Beam and Neuron. This is the Phantom doing a wheelie. Oh, look at this guy. He's riding a Neuron scooter, but wearing a Beam helmet. You gotta pick your side, brah. So I was like, I'm gonna work for Beam. I love e-scooters. So I applied to Beam, and they got back to me within a couple of days. And they said, we're gonna hire you, mate. Having worked in an office environment for about 10 years, it is such a breath of fresh air, quite literally. To do something that involves being physically active. I'm getting my step counts in, I'm getting physically fit. Loading and unloading those scooters. See, right now I'm working in the Fortitude Valley of Brisbane, or the Valley as they call it, and I've got a number 7. A number 7 signifies a super low battery that needs to be changed. So we've got our bike batteries over here and scooter batteries over here, all fully charged. Just like magic, I can remotely control collecting and unhatching the battery locks. That's a full charge. Ling is getting a bit concerned because she's saying that I'm getting too skinny doing this job. Ooh, that's a tricky one. I hate bridges. Like, when you see bridges, it means it's gonna be a bitch to park the van. Okay, let's try to track this bad boy down. So it's about 7:09 in the morning. My goal right now is to hit up all the really tricky, busy areas. Oh, look at that beautiful Story Bridge. You are gorgeous. You know, because I'm about a month into this job. Yep, it's way easier now than it was on day one, where I was just scrambling with the GPS and taking ridiculous detours for no reason. Like here I am trying to go from A to B. Next thing you know, I'm at the freaking Brisbane airport. Like, what the heck, man? And I know the loading zone here because this is the most popular area to deploy scooters. Loading zone. Perfect. This person crossed the bridge with it. It's not under the bridge, so it's a bit of a walk. I'm gonna collect a scooter at the hotspot over here and ride that up the bridge. I think it goes without saying, but one of the perks of working for Beam is unlimited scooter rides. Unlocking the scooter for me. It's good to go. Gonna grab me a fresh battery here. Story Bridge. Yep, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave the scooter here because there's stairs. This is a perfect example of how I get my steps in. Sometimes you just gotta go on foot. So there's the Story Bridge. And there's our mark. We found you. Look at that. Oh my god, that's absolutely terrifying. Imagine if I was working the night shift. So this scooter has a problem, it won't accelerate. I came here originally just to pick it up because it was knocked over, so I'm gonna bring this back to the warehouse.
Sick or injured koala on the side of the road. Well, first of all, never try to pick it up. A wild koala will shred you. They may look cute and cuddly. However, they don't know you're trying to help them. And so cute.
Yes, koalas are so cute. Only in Australia will you hear a radio ad with detailed instructions on what to do if you find a koala. Starting with, don't try to pick it up. They might be cute and cuddly, but they don't know that you're trying to help them, so they could turn into Freddy Krueger. Those were his words exactly. Gotta love Australia.
Turn left onto the ramp.
All right. For relaxing times, make it Suntory times. Boss coffee. Okay, van is full with scooters, so right now we are at a deployment spot. These are typically areas with a lot of foot traffic and high concentrations of people that are looking to get a scooter. So I'm just gonna unload the van right now, and you can watch a really cool time lapse because it's quite a time-consuming process. And go. I started this job right at the beginning of winter in Australia. As you can see, I'm wearing a sweater, or sorry, as the Australians call it, a jumper. It's great because the days don't get too hot, and in Brisbane it could get as hot as 40 degrees in the summertime. Can't imagine having to do this job in 40-degree temperature, but here I am wearing a jumper. And some people just abuse this cup holder here on the scooter. They treat it like their personal rubbish bin. I've been told by the other van marshals that they found everything from chip wrappers to condoms. You name it, they found it in those cup holders. If you're not aware of this, in Australia, if you work Saturdays and Sundays, you actually get paid a premium. I try to get the weekend shifts. Usually I'll get a Saturday shift. If I could pick up a shift on Sunday, I will go for that because it's almost double the rate of my pay when I work during the week. Because Beam is a 24-hour operation, we have van marshals and foot marshals that are on patrol all the time around the clock. If you work overnight, you also get paid a bit more. Thanks guys for watching and following me around in a day in the life of being a van marshal for the e-scooter company Beam here in Brisbane, Australia, a company I truly believe in and I'm just so delighted to be a part of. I'll see you guys on the next vlog.